Let's start. So that is we are discussing how softwares that level of process interaction is there with time. So at initial little interaction is required, but as time passes for the project or planning and executing side, it require more interaction on the different modules and all these things. And monitoring at middle it is higher, and at lower side it is initial, and ending side it is lower. Okay, and at closing the project process, little bit more is there. Okay, and whatever that particular little bit more is there at end because of generation of different reports and other things. Okay, so that for the report generation also we have to use little bit more software. Interaction is more different modules, values we have to take, and we have to interact with other things. So this is the general graph regarding software behavior, how it works. Okay, then this is the list of some free softwares. Okay, so mm there are some sites are there in front of you, that Tiga, to plan, Zoho, Gantt projects. Gantt project and what are the Gantt chart is there. Already I have shown you. Okay, at the initial work breakdown structure time. Orange, Scrum, then Smartsheet, Bittrex 24. So what are these softwares are there? These are for open source, free, and used for small businesses. So if you want, you can take the photograph of this and you can go to this site also, no problem. Okay, so these are some free and open source softwares. Okay, and this can be available freely in the market. And then this is the most popular softwares in the particular management system. So this Microsoft project MSP. So we have to go to this particular software little bit. Whatever I am knowing, I will tell you. Then Microsoft Excel. Again, Excel. I initially only I told you that Excel is one of the good software, and it can be used for project. So you can put the different formulas and different sheets, and different values can be transferred to different sheets a little bit easily. You just know the things about Excel. Then Paramvira is there, one of the most popular, and that Oracle based software is there. So some computer knowledge or some language knowledge also required for that. So I'm also a little bit not familiar with this Paramvira. A bit I'm familiar with this Excel and project. So let's see how these things are there. So these are the some popular softwares, and what are the softwares we are finding in above case. These are some free softwares. So yesterday I told you that there is a one point is there, that if you go for MATLAB, MATLAB is the costly software, but for that Skylab is the free version available. Okay, so like this, some free softwares and some paid softwares may be there in the market. Okay, so if we look at to the Excel, Microsoft Excel, what are the good points and bad points about this? So that also we'll discuss little bit here. Okay, and whatever the part is there, that actual demo part will go, if possible, will go online in class also. So if you look at to Microsoft Excel, all of you are knowing um, we are using Excel. What are the pros are there? These are the advantageous parts, and what are the cons are there? These are the disadvantages parts are there of this software. What are the pros and cons of this software is there, that is listed here. So if you look at to the pro side, it is free one. Okay, so on the Microsoft, when you put the Windows and Microsoft Office pack, that is easily available. It is free one. Okay, so we are not we are not using paid version in general. It is user friendly. So what are the Excel sheet you are knowing, you are observing on the laptop or PC. So Excel sheets are there. So with small blocks. Okay, that block height, row height and width can be adjusted, and you can double click to that particular block and you can type there easily. You can put the formula easily. You can write there some mathematical formula. Okay, you can merge the cell easily. Okay, so you can generate that table is automatically get generated in this Excel software and all the things. You are knowing very well about this. Then available everywhere. So availability is also good. Uh, Rather, I can say that right now through our mobile also we can use the Excel software also. Is it right? So whatever the Excel is there, is also Android version is also there in the market, and we can use through our mobiles also that typing on the Excel sheet, and whatever is saving the data and other things available in PM templates, that whatever the project management templates are there. So whatever the regular templates are there, these are also there, and whatever the other templates are there, that project management templates and other things, these are also there. Different chart availability, so different charts are there. If you go for different graphs and other chart, so pie chart is there, and bar chart is there, and other things are there. Okay, so what is this bar chart or pie chart is there, or some line chart is there. Okay, so these are different graphs are there. So if you put the data in this, then you can easily draw the different charts using this particular I can say with the help of Excel. So and different coloring also possible, and all things are there. Needs basic knowledge, so that is the important part. How to use the Excel, that is a basic knowledge is required for that. Suitable for a small size project. So what are the entry level is there, so it can be suitable for small size projects, etc. Okay, so what are the cons are there, what are the difficulties in using Excel is there? No resource allocation. Whatever the resource allocation problem we have solved for this work, put R1, R2 and R3 like this. Okay, so R1 is getting not free, so halting time is full. Whatever we have learned, that resource allocation is cannot be done by the software. You have to make it properly, you have to do it at your own. Okay, then no pre-designed professional reports. What are the reports generated through on the Excel things are there. These are regular table format, and the graph format is there. So what are the actual report side we want? Okay, heading of company and other things, XYZ, and all the data, everything we want. That particular things are not available in this. The professional types reports are not generated. We have to go for that professional reports. Okay. Then data security. So this is one of the disadvantages point. Data security. Data security means it can be easily transferred, and it can be easily shared. Okay, and whatever the data is there, some softwares are there like ANSYS or MATLAB, where if you put your login only, then and then you can make the changes. Okay, but in Excel such thing is not there. You can make the things a little bit easier way. Okay, and if you have saved something on that particular PC, one of the Excel, and your friend came or your subordinate came, and easily he can access that Excel and change the data also. Okay, so this is the one of the things. Then how to define calendars. So sometimes that what are the date formats are there, it is a little bit different one, all of you are knowing. So what is the time schedule is there, and other things are there. It is a little bit difficult to predict in the Excel format. Okay, some different things may be come into the in, while we go for some calendar point or some working point of view. long formulas, that is one of the major disadvantage I know. So for my work, PhD work, or many other times I'm using software for different works. So whatever the formulas are there, these formulas are little bit longer side we have to use. So that whatever the, I think you in first year or in second year you might be gone through that C language somewhere. So you to remember there are some statement if else, if not, other than else, like such statements are there, and that may be creating problem. Just 1 minute. Okay, so long formulas is one of the important few in this particular software. Okay, and uh, that may create the problem that I am knowing. So this long formula is one of the disadvantageous part of the Excel point of view. Then less control and less overview. So to control what are the required, we can say window or pop is required, so label in this, or what are, if I want to just take the full that, so the not window is get open quickly. Okay, and if I click on the tab or one of the links, then I'm not in position to get the certain overview points or things. So every entire window is in front of me. I have to go through that. I have to take the overviews and other things. And regarding controls, if you use different softwares, you are knowing certain tabs are open when you click. Generally, if you go to the some sites of online form filling and other things, there you are finding if you click that small window is get open. Right? So control is there. And control in the other sense that the software is worldwide open. Okay, and it is freely available. So whatever the server of that software may be there are many more congestion may be there. So less control is there. No useful for long run projects. So as Excel is simple software, everything you have to enter at your own level. So because of that, whatever the long run projects are there, for that it is not useful. Everything that whatever the tabs and whatever the, we can say lines, arrow, rows, etc. These are going to be increasing. So certain good points are there, and certain we can say difficult points are also there. So by considering this, we have to think about that which software we should use for the project and other things. So if we look at to the positive side, once again, the good control is there, user friendly is there, freely available is there, available anywhere is there. Some one of the 1 2 templates are there. Different charts can be done. We can available. It is easy to learn. Okay, so these are the good sides, but what are the bad sides are there, or the negative points are there of this software, that no resource allocation or data security may be there. Okay, long formulas are there, defined to calendar, hard to define calendars are there, less control is there. So we have to consider this also. So these are the some points put for you people how the comparison is made. Similarly, if you go to the Microsoft project, this particular software, so maturity is there. So it is good, is one of the good software. Maturity side means already you are talking about it person. You are not mature, you are not in that knowledge, etc. So this software is having good maturity. It is having good, we can say, base of the management. Support and reliability is good, so you can keep the it on that. Okay, so that is one of the important parts. Easy to integration with other Microsoft products. So obviously it is made by Microsoft project. So what are the interaction here or integration part is there with other Microsoft product like Word or Excel. So that will be the very easy. Okay, and this is the desktop application is there. So you have to install on the some PC is there, it may be laptop or it may be desktop. Okay, generic focus, so it is your proper focus. What is the, we can say, towards project or activities only. The collaboration, new versions are available. Okay, and other things are very very good in this software. Size don't matter sometimes. What are the uploading files and other things are there, or that say what are the size is there, file size. If you are using some, uh, I say some small form filling, etc. So sometimes we got that message, your file size is much more, you can't fill like this. Okay, so reduce the size and other things. So that particular part is not in this. So that is there. Don't, size doesn't matter. That is indication. Then this is the one of the disadvantageous parts of that software. Okay, so what are the softwares are there? What are disadvantageous parts are there? That disadvantageous parts may have the points like step learning curve, a steep learning curve. So learning curve means it is a little bit difficult to learn. Steep means we can say step forward near about. It is very hard to bend, or that way the steep word is used. Steep learning curve is there. Limited baselines are there. No changes. Order control is there. Professionalism is must. So regular or at student side or at local side, we cannot use. Some professionalism is required, some knowledge, some expertise, we can say, is required for this software. No changes, no coverage for all the knowledge areas. Okay, so some areas are there where there is no coverage is there. That means we are not knowing the things, work completion, complexity. So at the ending side, if activities are increasing, it may become complex, and it gives a little bit difficulties at the ending side. No collaborative environment. Okay, so that is regarding old version, and new version it is collaborative. So collaborative means compatibility with other softwares, other data, and other things. Okay, so if you look at to the AutoCAD software, if you want to put other file, you have to convert it into some MCV format or other things. Okay, so for Microsoft Word also, DOCS, Docs, DOS, is it right? So different formats are there. Dot formats are there. For PDF, we are using .PDF. For Excel, EXCL, ES or EXCL ES. So different this compatible collaborative files are there. MSP, is it right? So like this, the different files are there. So that different versions may be possible in new version, but in old version that no collaborative part is there. That means you cannot export the file, you cannot import the file, you cannot export the file from. Like this, the things are there related to software, and these softwares are always we can say changing their versions. So whatever our Android phones are there, they are always changing the versions. Always new versions are coming into the market, new updates are available. So like this, the softwares are always thinking or doing such things. So this is the one of the thing that one more software related to this, that is the Paramvira. And if you look at to this, it is similar to the Microsoft project. Maturity is good. That means understanding of the software is good. Support and reliability is also good. So you can keep the belief on that. It gives the reliable results. Okay. Support small business to large organizations. This is one of the good things, that it supports from small projects to the large projects also. Unlimited baselines, strong relation between HR and task. So that task relation is there. Size doesn't matter. Okay, so over 100K activities supported, means 100 into 1000. So near about it becomes 1 lakh. 1 lakh activities can be, you can enter. Collaboration, yeah, it is there. With new version, it is good. Very strong team-based approach. That is also one of the good point. What are the difficult points are there or negative points are there. These negative points, very steep learning curve. So that learning curve may be one of the problem. So learning is very very essential in this case. No easy installation. So that is one of the difficulties to install the Primavera, different file size and different registry you have to clear and other things. No user friendly in earlier versions. That is the what we can say. Disadvantage is stated here already. So in earlier versions, that may be suggested that in new version that may be user friendly. Professionalism is must. No coverage of all knowledge areas, work completion complexity. So this is we are finding in the Microsoft project also. And one of the important last point is the price. Whatever Microsoft projects and whatever these Excels are there, these are free available, or we can say my Excel is available free, and the Microsoft project may be there, it may be little bit less costly. But in Paramira condition, it is shown that it is given that price is one of the disadvantage. Means obviously the price of the software may be high. Is it right? So that particular point we have to consider during uh, this particular software selection. So what are these three softwares are there? These are there. We require to go to little bit more information about this. Okay, then this is the particular Excel, how the Gantt chart is created. So already we discussed many more things about this. So task names are there, A, B, C, D, start date, and then duration and end date. So like this, the things may be there. So what is the difference between this end date is equal to start date plus duration? Okay, you can put such formulas there equal to so February 18 plus 5 days, so February 23. So and you will get automatically addition. So such type of Excel chart we can say can be produced in the Excel. Okay, such type of table can be easily produced in the Excel. Then this is the chart title. So here what are the different charts are there. So if you go in Excel, there is a insert tab. There is a chart table is there. So you can put different. We can say the different charts are available. Bar charts is there, or some pie chart is there, and other things are there. So line chart is there, column chart is there. Okay. So you can put that particular point here also, and you can draw the different charts. So in Excel, this order table and order this chart is there. It is a little bit easy, okay, and it can be used a little bit good way. Then that grant table, if you want to create some grant tables, so you have to select this area, and you have to put in that series. Each series should be there. So start date will be according to the time schedule and other things. Activity number 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, so add series. So these are the some certain steps are given in this particular software. Okay, then the duration is also put in front of you. So this can be possible with the charts also. Okay, so control charts are there. Put the duration, add the series. Okay, and the third one, creating, you can put the y-axis label correction. So you can put this label correction also, which is the which activity and what duration is there. So that is there. So just I will give you demo about this, no problem. Okay, this is not that much difficult part. Then the put the Gantt chart. So you have to need certain things here. So you have to go for trimming the previous activities. So your Gantt table is ready. Okay. So like this way that particular trim can be possible with this. Okay, so Gantt table can be prepared. So that whatever the things are there. So these are a little bit easy. Okay, and we can operate this particular Excel in a little bit good manner. If you look at to this other Microsoft project, some slides are there with me. This is the Microsoft project, and here some numbering is there and some task percentage. So whatever activities are there. So you can look at to this, and if you look at the previous one, that whatever Excel is there, in the Excel it look like a little easy, but here in this case of Microsoft project, it look like a little bit different. Right, different columns are there. So duration is there, task name is there, status is there, some status points are there. Okay, so if you look at this upper window, it look like your Microsoft Word or Excel point. But if you look at to this particular side, it is little difficult to understand how these things are there. Okay, that the one example has been taken. Okay, what are the activities are there and what are the completion days is there. So if I want to put this particular, so first I require to draw the network. So this is the, I can say, network of point, and the critical path is found. Okay, so 0 to AB, sorry, A C E G and finish. So that particular is critical path indicated by a black line. So whatever the chart is given, table is given to you. Based on that, you are drawn this particular critical path of the project, and then that particular puts that values are put into the this particular software. Okay, so like this way some softwares are working.